Magandang hapon po mga kababayan, panauhin. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for honoring us with your presence this afternoon and choosing to end your work week, or should I say start your weekend with us here at the Consulate. This afternoon, we are pleased to provide you the first close look at the next iteration of the Winter Escapade. May we have po a show of hands? Who among you are familiar with the Winter Escapade? Who among you have planned on going at one point but was not able to proceed po? Meron po ba? Meron din. Who among you have been to a Winter Escapade at least once?
Several times.
Oh. Sino naman po yung nag-join 2 or more times already? We have several in the room. Wow. Opo. Finally, sino sa inyo ang nagbabalak na sumama in 2026? Well, we're very happy po to see that many of those who actually came today are looking to join us next year. I hope by the end of our program, you will all be raring and excited to join and register for the 2026 Winter Escapade. It's happening from the 1st to the 10th of February in 2026. For those of you who are not familiar, every year since 2013, except during the pandemic, the Philippine Embassy and Consulates General in Canada, in partnership with the Department of Tourism, the Tourism Promotions Board, and Raja Tours, have been organizing the Winter Escapade special packages to give Filipino Canadians and their families and friends a unique opportunity to experience the warm hospitality of the Filipino people, some of the most breathtaking views of our 7,641 islands, and the rich diversity of our culture. This next Winter Escapade holds a special significance because it will be our 10th since the program was launched. While you were coming in, we were flashing on the screen many of the sights, flavors, and adventure that participants in February will get to enjoy.